Hello kids! Today we will learn colors name and counting numbers. At first we will learn colors name. Say with me colors name. Green, red, orange, blue, black, pink, peach, sky blue, violet, brown, yellow, parrot green. Write with me. 1. Say with me. 1. 2. Say with me. 2. 3. Say with me. 3. 4. Say with me. 4. 5. Say with me. 5. 6. Say with me. 6. 7. Say with me. 7. 8. Say with me. 8. 9. Say with me. 9. 1 and 0. 10. Say with me. 10. 1 and 1. 11. Say with me. 11. 1 and 2. 12. Say with me. 12. 1 and 3. 13. Say with me. 13. 1 and 4. 14. Say with me. 14. 1 and 5. 15. Say with me. 15. 1 and 6. 16. Say with me. 16. 1 and 7. 17. Say with me. 17. 1 and 8. 18. Say with me. 18. 1 and 9. 19. Say with me. 19. 2 and 0. 20. Say with me. 20. 2 and 1. 21. Say with me. 21. 2 and 2. 22. Say with me. 22. 2 and 3. 23. Say with me. 23. 2 and 4. 24. Say with me. 24. 2 and 5. 25. Say with me, 25. 2 and 6, 26. Say with me, 26. 2 and 7, 27. Say with me, 27. 2 and 8, 28. Say with me, 28. 2 and 9, 29. Say with me, 29. 3 and 0, 30. Say with me, 30. Subscribe for more video.